Global oil prices climbed on Monday amid renewed tensions in the Middle East, particularly involving Iran and activity around the Strait of Hormuz. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to over $106 per barrel, while Brent crude climbed above $114, reflecting market concerns over supply disruptions. According to Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy, a U.S. frigate was struck by missiles after allegedly ignoring warnings while attempting to pass through the strait near Jask. However, a senior U.S. official denied that any American vessel had been hit, highlighting conflicting accounts from both sides. Meanwhile, the United States Central Command said 2 U.S.-flagged merchant ships had successfully transited the waterway under military support as efforts continue to restore commercial shipping. CENTCOM also stated that U.S. forces carried out airstrikes that destroyed 6 small Iranian boats in the strait, a claim rejected by Iranian media.